Some major things just happened for Bitcoin, and this will probably be the most important video you will watch for Bitcoin or crypto in a while, because some crazy things just changed for Bitcoin. You need to see this, so make sure to keep watching till the end because things are about to get crazy. First of all, let me quickly show you guys here my Bitcoin trade. We can currently see I'm down about $1,000 with about 17%. So I'm a little bit down on my Bitcoin trade. However, I'm not worrying at all, and I will quickly tell you guys why in just a few seconds. But we have just so much to talk about. This is going to be a little bit of a longer video than normal because we have just so much to talk about, because Bitcoin just went down like absolutely crazy. We dropped about 5% before going up a little bit again. However, if we look at altcoins puked like crazy. Matic down 26%, Litecoin 13%, Solana 24%. That's crazy. BNB 9%. I've never seen this in my life before, and I've been in crypto for more than 3 years. So I'm going to explain why the altcoins dumped like crazy and why Bitcoin and Ethereum are holding up pretty good. Well, before I do that, let me quickly show you guys something you want to do, because we all know that Bitcoin and that crypto exchanges are currently under fire because of the SEC. We know that Coinbase, Crypto.com and Binance US and the normal Binance are currently on fire. And maybe even more exchanges are going down, or at least going to get sued by the SEC. However, I have one exchange for you guys that you might want to check out. It's called ByBit. I've been using them for more than 3 years right now. I've never gotten a single issue with it. And if you use my link to sign up for a ByBit account, you will actually get $55 in deposit bonuses, because they're currently running the spring shower event. So go to the first link in the description, sign up using my ByBit link, and you will get a $55 bonus if you use my link to sign up and deposit $100. So first link in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Why did altcoins dump this crazy? Because this is absolutely insane if you look at this. Well, altcoins just dumped because the SEC is now suing altcoins and exchanges because they are selling unregistered securities, and they're talking about unregistered securities, which are altcoins. And almost all the altcoins right now are unregistered securities, which means that they could potentially be banned from every single crypto exchange. Which will be absolutely catastrophic, of course. Not expecting that to happen. However, people are of course feared, and like always, people will sell their bags even though they're in a loss right now. So why do I think this is not even that bad? Well, the SEC is currently saying that they're selling unregistered securities. However, unregistered securities, it doesn't really make sense. They can just ban over 24,000 cryptocurrencies. That will basically just destroy the entire cryptocurrency sector. And I don't think that's going to happen for now, simply because they have no proof for it right now, and they have to have an actual statement to ban them. Like, why ban unregistered securities? So I'm not expecting altcoins to be removed or be banned. They could potentially be removed from some big crypto exchanges in the US. However, I don't think that's going to get any further. I don't think they're going to get banned at all. But yeah, that's why we dumped, simply because people are scared that the altcoins are going to get banned and you can't buy them. And also Robinhood is already delisting a lot of altcoins, and that's also why people are currently selling, because they're scared that people who currently have a lot of altcoins on Robinhood, for example, that they're going to simply dump their altcoins. So yeah, just a lot of fear. Nothing like, there's no actual allegations yet. These are just they're getting sued, which means that they haven't done anything wrong yet. You first need to prove that they actually did something wrong, of course. So that's why I wouldn't panic sell my altcoins right now. Secondly, what do I think about the Bitcoin, and why did Bitcoin and Ethereum didn't dump that much in comparison to all other altcoins? Well, of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum, at least Bitcoin can't be seen as a security, of course. There's no founder. You can't sue Bitcoin because we're going to sue. There's no founder, no creator, no CEO. Ethereum also is just too big, and they're not also a threat at the moment. The SEC haven't mentioned them yet. So yeah, I don't think Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to get sued. It's impossible for Bitcoin to get sued, and Ethereum is just already too big, of course, because the gap between the second largest cryptocurrency called Ethereum and BNB is a lot. We can see from a $200 billion market cap all the way down to a 37 billion market cap. So yeah, Ethereum is just a lot bigger than the rest already. Now let's look at what Bitcoin is going to do in the next few days. Because of course we saw this massive dump for Bitcoin. We're trying to go up a little bit and we're currently going down a little bit. And it seems like we're going to play out this scenario. However, are we going to see this massive pump up? And I actually don't think we're going to see a massive pump up again. Because there's just too much fear in the markets at the moment. I think something like this will make a lot of sense. And then a drop down again. We're going to see some more drops probably in the next few days. Or maybe even next few hours. I think we're going to do something like this. And slowly grind down. And then come down to this $25,000 area. Which of course is a really big support area. I can actually show you guys this here. We can see that the $25,000 to $24,000 is a really big support area. So yeah, I'm expecting us to go all the way down to 25,000 at least, which is still another $600 dump and then a potential bounce up. So yeah, that's currently what I'm expecting for Bitcoin. Also, the Bitcoin dominance is going absolutely crazy, which means that altcoins could continue to dump, even though Bitcoin could slowly go up again. So yeah, Bitcoin dominance is currently going up like crazy. Next area of resistance is here, and if we break through that, then our next area of resistance is going to be all the way at 60%, which is going to be pretty big. Also, if we look right now at the CME gap, because we're currently creating this massive CME gap. Let me just quickly get the CME features. We can see we're creating this massive CME gap. Of course, you have to go to the 1 hour chart. We can see that the current price is currently trading around this area, which means that this will be an entire CME gap if we close like this and if we open like this. Then it means that the price will start trading here and this will mean a massive CME gap. And we all know that CME gaps 99% of the times get filled and 95% of the times get filled within 3 days. So there's a really big chance that we're going to dump a little bit more, but then just get a bounce back on Monday or Tuesday to fill the CME gap. And that's why I'm not worried at all at my massive ByBit trade right here. So yeah, that's why I'm not worried at all. Also, we can see that Bitcoin is currently trading in this massive bull flag. And there is a chance that we're going to retest, like I said, to this level. But it will still mean that we're trading in this bull flag. And it will still not look really bearish if you ask me. This bear flag is still intact if we go lower. We haven't even touched the support line. So in my opinion, if Bitcoin drops a little bit further, it's still completely fine. We just don't want to see Bitcoin break down of this area because then we're actually fucked. But for now, I don't think that's going to happen. That's basically all I want to show you guys. I know it was a little bit longer video than normal, but like I said, if you use my ByBit link to sign up for an account on ByBit, then you'll get a $55 deposit bonus. So make sure to go to the first link in the description because you may actually want to diversify your exchanges right now because a lot of exchanges are currently on fire and ByBit isn't one yet. So yeah, make sure to go to the first link in the description. That being said, I would really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next Bitcoin or crypto video or when something crazy happens for Bitcoin again.